Gateway of India is the unofficial icon of Mumbai. I've been waiting to see a cricket game since I got to India. What's up guys, it's Haji Ali Travelbum. Today I'm going to be giving you a tour of South Mumbai. So this is the districts of Colaba, Southgate and Fort. These are the districts that you should be in if you're interested in cultural and historic sites. Alright, so the perfect place to start our tour today of Mumbai is not only the gateway to Mumbai, but it's the gateway to India. So this is the unofficial icon of the city and the most popular tourist attraction in Mumbai. So the Portuguese ruled Mumbai for a long time, followed by the British. And when the British finally left Mumbai in 1948, they actually left through this gate, the way that they came. And so this landmark also signifies the end of British rule. So this is the most popular tourist attraction in Mumbai, so you're gonna have to fight crowds at any time of the day. And not only crowds, there are a lot of people that are gonna come up to you trying to sell you photos, trying to sell you tours, especially tours to the Elephanta Caves, which is right near here. So if you want to do that, then come here because that's where you can get those tours. They actually leave from here. And so on the other side of the gate here, here's the Arabian Sea. So if you want to visit Elephanta Caves, which is another one of the main tourist attractions here, now I know. It's right here, so you come to the Gateway of India, and then you can take the boats from literally right behind it to go to Elephanta Caves. So the next logical step and a stone's throw from the Gateway to India is Colaba Market. Okay, so we're about to enter the Colaba Causeway Market, which if you can see down here, it goes all along this road. All of these tarps you see covering, they're just covering a bunch of these little shops. So let's take a look. No, thank you. Can't fit in my bag. It's big pocket bag. Alright, I've been sick lately with food poisoning, so my Indian friends told me that I should get raw coconut water and that this would help with it. So I just stopped by and got one on the street, and this was 50 rupees or about 70 cents. So another must-see in Mumbai is Haji Ali Dargah, which is this floating mosque. So this mosque is one of the main icons of Mumbai, and for good reason. It's just floating here out in the middle of the sea, and you can only reach it when there's low tide. So not only do you come here for the mosque itself, but you come here for the view of Mumbai. You don't get a view like this from anywhere else. So this is a mosque, but it's also a tomb to Saint Haji. And legend has it that he actually was on a pilgrimage to Mecca and he died on his way. But then somehow his casket floated across the sea and ended up back here in Mumbai.
Cricket back here?
I've been waiting to see a cricket game since I got to India, and finally here in Mumbai, near Chor Bazaar, I found this in an alleyway here. So we're on the hunt for Chor Bazaar, which is where they sell a bunch of old antiques and actually even stolen items. Chor Bazaar is actually called Thieves Market.
From Harvard went over. It's a flawless system. Anybody want
So I've been known to say that markets seem to have everything. There are a lot of markets in India and they have so many things, just everything. But I've never been to one like this. Chor Bazaar, this literally has everything. If you want a 1994 Honda Civic button for a light, you can get that here.
You wondering where we're at?
Hey look, it's a gramophone. Specialty of Chor Bazaar.
Yo, are you looking at this? It's so cute. Oh, strange.
So this is the famous Crawford Market in Mumbai. This is very famous, one of the most famous markets in South Mumbai. And I didn't really think that I was going to find anything quite as crazy as I did in Old Delhi, but I guess I was wrong. Street food, like this. The Bombay sandwich, which we'll try later. So you should really come here, even if you're not looking to shop, just come here for the people watching. So many people, so much going on. It's very interesting. You're gonna have a good time. In the north you have the newer city, the part that was developed later, and so it has less historic significance. And that's also where the Bollywood scene is. So it's more of a rich area, which I'll have to show you in another video. You're awesome for making it all the way through this video. If you want to watch more, click one of these videos. And if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe right here because I'm traveling around the world and I'm sharing the whole thing with you.